Hi, I wanted to kind of guide you through my comments on your papers so that you can kind of know what to do. You guys did really well overall with your biographies and your formal analysis. I just want to go over some common problems to help you to improve it when you compile it with the other part, the cultural context part, in your final draft. When you get your paper, it might look like this. What you want to do is go to My Grades right here on the left and click on that and scroll down to part 2 of the paper. And that's where you will find a kind of a icon that you click on and your paper should come up. But it might look like this with nothing written on it. What you want to do is come up here to where it says tracking and then hit all markup, and then you'll see all of my comments here on the left. As you're going through, you can read the comment and then just click on it, right click on it, and you'll see it says delete comment. Once you have addressed the comment, you can just delete it and then it goes away. And then I made a suggestion here. Again, just right click on it and accept the change, and it'll do it automatically. So you shouldn't have to retype it. So here you see a red word. If that's the case, again, right click it and then just say accept change, and it'll do it for you. So again, here is one deleted. So right click, accept change, etc. If you don't accept the change, then just right click and then hit delete comment, and it'll just go away. And then you don't have to retype it. But in your final draft, I don't want to see any of my comments over here. And the way that you get rid of them is through that right click. I want to encourage you to come back to where the museum paper is and read through these rules about writing about a paper. And also come down here to the sample artist biographies. And especially if I have written in your paper that you need to look at the endnotes, come here to this sample paper that is in Blackboard. This comes from right here. So just come to that, and it will show you how to format your endnotes. To insert an endnote, you come up here to insert, and then you hit, where is it? Let's see. I'm sorry, you hit references. Hit references and then hit insert endnote. You want to make sure that you're doing an endnote and not a footnote. So it's under references, insert, endnote. And that's how you would do it. So let's say you want one. And the good thing about using that tool is you can see there's already some endnotes here. When you use this tool and you put insert endnote, it renumbers everything for you, so you don't have to do it, and it organizes it for you. So that's a helpful tool, the references, to hit insert endnote. Now, if you have some questions about your paper or my comments on your paper, please email me. We can either do it through email, or I'm happy to set up a Zoom with you to go over your papers. Now, when you go to the cultural context part, this is when you really want to start thinking about coming up with a thesis and tailoring, shaping all of your conversation, your biography, your formal analysis, and the cultural context around making an argument with regards to why the artist was making that painting, what his goals were, what the meaning of the painting is. You want to shape everything around a central thesis. And these sample papers in Blackboard will help you to do that. If you come back, you'll see that under cultural contexts, there are examples here of cultural context writing, and that will give you some help and guidance on that. Think about the content from the course. Don't go, you really might not have to even do much research here. Think about the content of the course How could you talk about the Counter-Reformation or the Protestant Reformation when discussing your paper? Is there anything from the PowerPoints on the Northern Baroque or the French Rococo that you could then adapt and use in your paper? Again, please email me, or we can set up a Zoom to chat about your specific paper if you would like. Please don't hesitate to do that. Okay, good luck.